In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a custom skin or display theme on your VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab at the top and then go down and select Preferences. Select the Interface button at the top if it's not the default landing page here. And where it says Look and Feel, select Use Custom Skin. Select the resource file by selecting the Choose button to go upload it. And then you would select Save to save at the bottom, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.